The Federal and Vale Hospital jointly present the Madurai Marathon 2025. This event is co-presented by Walking Shoe Company and powered by PSNA College of Engineering and Technology and Tucker EV Chargers. Run for bone and joint health on Sunday, December 7.
Delhi witnessed a new surge of anger on Tuesday as citizens packed Jantar Mantar protesting against the capital's worsening, nearly unbreathable air. Families, students, working professionals, and even the elderly turned up with one message: the right to breathe cannot wait any longer. Many said governments have failed year after year, offering cosmetic measures while pollution levels spiraled into a public health emergency.
I'm very fed up. I've never seen Delhi like this in my life. I can't tell the government what to do. The government has been elected so that they should know what to do, and they have experts and they should find out what to do. But what they should not do is spend taxpayers' money on cloud seeding, which even I as an Anadi know, unless there is moisture in the cloud, nothing will happen. Right? And we all know Delhi is dry.
How old are you?
8 years old.
8 years old. And what are you doing here at the protest at this?
I'm showing my poster.
Showing your poster. What is your poster saying?
That stop pollution.
How does it affect you?
My throat hurts.
Environmentalists warn that without long-term structural action and honest air quality data, Delhi will continue gasping every winter.
Artificial rain was tried at certain places primarily for drought reasons, drought control reasons, and not for air pollution control. In fact, Beijing tried it once and did not try it again. This year, so-called cloud seeding was successful, but there was no rain. It almost means that operation is successful and patient is dead. So, rather than believing in these voodoo science called cloud seeding and looking at these symptoms of pollution, we have to look at the source of pollution, and the government's intent is lacking in really hitting the source of pollution, and rather than that, looking at these cosmetic headline management in that sense. We are not saying that the government has created this AQI levels in that sense, but one thing for sure, government is actually reducing the air quality readings of our air quality monitors by turning it off, or really letting those air quality monitors operate that don't give the right readings, and of course sprinkling water on many of these air quality monitors in that sense. There are two damages that you do when you actually hide the data. One is the immediate public health advisory that gets triggered by a certain number with regard to whether the air is poor, very poor, severe or severe plus, is some sort of a direction for individuals to either wear a mask or step out or perhaps find a private solution in that sense. So what you're doing is not allowing people to take private solution with regard to thinking how severe the air is.
Students joining the protest said their classrooms, commutes and daily routines are now dictated by air toxicity, a crisis they feel the state is refusing to confront.
First thing that we're demanding is that the government at least publicly acknowledge that pollution is the great problem in Delhi today. The AQI is reaching skies. What we see the government doing is that they're fabricating the data. They're sprinkling water around the AQI sensors. But at the other hand, they've also installed rupees 6 lakh worth of air purifiers in the Delhi Secretariat. The pollution in Delhi is directly linked to the industrial, vehicular and geographical location of the Indo-Gangetic plain. यहाँ पर we are demanding, firstly you install the immediate measures that bring down this AQI, and that makes Delhi in a state of health emergency right now. You need to restart the odd-even formula. You need to ensure that private hospitals are also running their pulmonary departments free of cost. There's huge traffic in the government hospitals, in the pulmonary departments. It's the poor who are suffering. Environment must be made an issue of public debate. The government, since it's not become an electoral issue, since we are a very poor country, the governments are getting away with it. And this government is completely chosen to, not even be answerable to the people, while they know, because they have 6 lakh worth of purifiers in the Delhi Secretariat.
As you can see behind me, this protest happening here at Jantar Mantar is the second protest on air pollution that is taking place within this month. Last time when the crowd had gathered at India Gate, they were detained, they were picked up. The police said that they had violated the prohibitory orders since they were not given permission. But the citizens of Delhi who are here today, they are saying that this is not the last time and that they will continue to hold such protests until the issue is resolved and until the government takes the issue of air pollution seriously and stops, in their words, fudging the data, the AQI data, which is the starting point to coming to any kind of resolution on this issue.
The Federal and Vale Hospital jointly present the Madurai Marathon 2025. This event is co-presented by Walking Shoe Company, powered by PSNA College of Engineering and Technology and Tucker EV Chargers. Run for bone and joint health on Sunday, December 7. Entry is free. All are welcome.